Hello! If you need a portable, lightweight solution to working at height, then we've got precisely what you're looking for. These alloy platform step ladders are incredibly versatile and built to high quality industrial standards. They come with large slip resistant treads, they're durable with slip resistant feet, and have a sturdy locking bar between the front and rear sections for extra safety. This 10 tread version of our alloy platform step ladder weighs just 12.5 kilograms, has a safe working load of 130 kilograms, and a safe working height of 2.2 meters. The steps provide a secure and comfortable work area thanks to the sturdy platform combined with a high knee rail. It's also worth noting that if you need to work at height but would prefer a smaller alternative, we have 3, 6 and 8 tread variants available. To set the steps up, place them on firm, even ground. If you are working on soft surface, then lay down a strong board first and set the steps up on that stable surface. Finally, ensure the steps are fully opened out and the locking bar is extended. You should not attempt to use the steps whilst collapsed, and we advise wearing the correct PPE whilst working at height. This includes safety gloves and work boots. It's also worth noting that access training is available for both individuals and businesses through HSS Training. You can view courses and timetables online. Now, if you want to find out more and view our full range of access equipment, visit hss.com today.